Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the condenser fan blade in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, raise both front leveling legs. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Reach in and push the old condenser fan blade off of the motor shaft. Install the new condenser fan blade by lining it on the motor shaft, then push until the blade is fully seated. You may need to readjust the fan motor mounting bracket after installation. Reinstall the access panel. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the front leveling legs. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.